if I had to put money on it, I'm not a betting man, but I put it on SDX.
SDX, yeah.
The odds are
heavily stacked.
Heavily stacked.
Yeah, if you were to put money on this, make an earning, you probably wouldn't be risking that much. You probably wouldn't be making that much, rather, either. So right off the bat, we have him just establishing what he's known for. Just all the stage control, waiting for monkey flips on stage, panic options from Fun China. Nicks him with the fair, gets the banana on the ground.
And he's so tricky with these landings.
He is. It just really depends on if SDX and he tried to snipe out the banana pole with the
with a shadow
ball there.
And now he has the banana.
Who has the banana now? Okay, well now it's
just
again,
bad.
He body blocked to stop the ledge cancel, and he got the kill out of it.
Jeez, all right.
That's so smart. Like you anticipate him to kick and then do the monkey flip back to the cancel, but SDX is like, you're not getting the cancel, and he just down tilted him for it. That was crazy. Well, SDX gaming, it's taking
the amount of planning ahead and stage control thoughts that go into each one of these actions is crazy.
These exchanges, these interactions is just nuts. These guys get here for a reason. Let's put it that way. So Fun China has quite of a hill to climb. He's really gonna have to nickel and dime. Well, you can do it that way too. Nickel and dime SDX however he can. Mewtwo, known for having a little bit of a hard time against Diddy for other characters, but it seems that SDX has become accustomed to the matchup. Again, he just tries to chase him down with the up air, just barely missing.
It goes real back and forth because there was that,
nice tech.
Great tech.
I don't know if he's going to live, no.
But it wasn't enough.
And just like that.
SDX taking game one.
One game to SDX. Look at that, one game.
So what kind of adjustments?
If I were Don, Fun China for the people watching, if I were Don, it seems like he's just getting his recovery options snuffed out. Every time he's been, like a lot of Diddy's suffer from, right? Monkey flip back to stage.
Right.
Monkey flip back to stage. I got a monkey flip onto the stage. And Leif, SDX people watching, just backs up, nairs or down tilts, and do another 30%. And that carries on. It really does. And he just went Fox against I don't know if this is toying with his food. I don't know if this is he's intentionally trying to come up with a character in case I think that might be what's happening. I think he might actually want to try and develop a different character for Diddy in case he fights someone who's a higher skill level at majors.
That makes sense.
But still, this is a shock pick for me, I've never seen him play Fox at all.
Respect coming out here.
I would expect Bayo because he plays Bayo on the side, but not Fox. I've never seen him play Fox. Well, we're gonna have to switch up a little bit on what we're seeing here. So in this matchup, regarded even probably by most people, SDX having a little bit harder time getting center stage here, hopping around quite a bit.
All right, there we go. Because SDX kept going for the same sort of approach / neutral options, and Fun China finally picked up on those and punished his landing there.
Yeah. Okay.
And SDX calming it down with those double jumps now after that happened.
Again, he's taking his time. He just back. Yeah, that's the thing. Fun China, if I were him, I would also pressure a little bit more too, because he gets into ledge. He gets him there, and then he just kind of chills. He's not pushing him with the banana, more force him to come back in. He's doing a lot better.
Yeah, already much better.
Nicky percent with up air. He's catching his landings up there as an up tilts. The shine to tech chase, and then missing the fair. Oh, that was
as Sakurai intended.
Great, nice coverage. He's waiting for the roll in. Nice back air by Fun China. And
SDX grabs banana with that auto cancel downer onto stage, making sure that he gets back there safely and not like a lot of players or characters will just jump and grab the banana and do nothing after that.
Exactly, but he's smart enough to know to do that. All right, well, again, he's using, like earlier in this match, a lot of, double jump approaches. Fun China still a lot closer this time than the others. That sucks. The moment you see the foot come out, you're like, that is the worst feeling for a Diddy player.
See.
It has to be like that, and then the barrel's into the ledge. Those have to be the worst feelings. So he's got one of them now. Let's see if he can make two. I'm just kidding.
Let's not see if he can make two. Let's see Fun China make this comeback.
Let's see. I want a clean fight. All right. Forcing the ledge.
All right, there we go.
Don not letting him come back for free. He's like, well, you better start illusioning or I'm going to spike the hell out of you. Oh, esports.
All right.
What kind of that? What was that? What? He got the monkey flip, landed on top of him, and then he just decided, nah, I'm out. Too close. Can he? No.
The fire burns
Lord. Leif's in here, Leif's in here thinking just his plan. Like what? I don't even know what happened. I guess he used to jump earlier in the interaction, and he just can't get the momentum up.
I would expect he probably tried to drop from ledge and then jump there.
He wanted to spike, but that's the thing a lot of players do about an accident is that if Fox is too close, you just can't do it. Just don't do it.
You need to respect the fire. You need to back up and just get stage control back and take that as the win out of the interaction.
Yeah, then prep again.
All
now
right, this is definitely
Captain
some
Falcon.
disrespect.
We have some Falcon versus Diddy. Yeah, this has to be disrespect at this point. I don't know if this is like personal grudge. This is not personal grudge. Unless this is like some secret DMs you've been hearing about, like, oh, I hate you. This is not.
Who can hate Fun China?
As two Falcons commentating, we will be sure to pick apart Late's Falcon piece by piece. So in this matchup, for us Falcon players looking at it, give him enough space so he can think about pulling banana, close him when he does, and then trying to keep him guessing with your speed. That's essentially what I like to treat the matchup as. And Late's not doing a bad job so far.
To me, the key is always making sure Diddy can't actually pull the banana for free. Like you mentioned, make him think he can pull banana and then punish him.
Yes.
SDX was just a little bit too far away there, so Fun China did get the banana pull out. SDX still in a great position, though.
Yeah, he is. All right, nice monkey flip. SDX was ready for that. The perfect pivot to... Whoa, if he went for a spike there. We're both... Okay, you're going to hear a lot of gasping from us because we both in our minds know as Falcon players what we want to do in those situations. So, up tilt.
I just sensed something crazy coming.
Yeah,
that was actually a really smart recovery. He went lower than normal.
Yeah. Oh, nice. I was gonna say nice fade, but I changed my mind. All right.
It was a fade.
It was a fade. All right.
Okay,
FC bringing it back with the neutral wins. All right. Nice dash attack on that. Banana? No.
Falcon's item throw actually is pretty terrible too.
It really is. There you go.
All right.
Nice wait and. SDX is, I think, showing upstate right now the difference in skill level present here. Like, I wouldn't even want to, like, fight. Actually, no, I would love to fight him, his Falcon rather than his Mewtwo at this point. But even then, for a lot of others, it's like the dominance.
It's not that much better of an option, really. Yeah,
I mean, with the skill he's showing. Oh, here we go. Oh, I would have done an up after second there, but that's okay. He's going to try. Oh, my God.
SDX just going for these kills right there.
Right out of the gate. Oh, is he dead? No. Ooh, interesting choice. I was expecting any of the other aerials, to be honest. Ooh, I was expecting an up B on the shield there. He missed the pivot grab. That's okay.
All right. So it's far from over for Fun China here. Only 41%.
If he wants to make something start for him, it will have to be on this Falcon. Like, he needs to take a breath. Okay, that's not a breath. That's a lot of damage.
It's game 3, so
yeah,
you're right.
He needs to make it happen now, or his winner's life could be through. All right.
But it looks like he's slowing down his play a little bit, trying to not get caught by all of these.
Oh, well. Oh, my Lord. I'm going to rip the headset out of this monitor right now, folks. Holy moly.
I'm just getting so nervous watching this. Can't even talk about it.
All right, nice jabs coming out from Lathe. Can he... Oh, I thought he was going to jump and do a reverse fair. That's how you know he's not a true Falcon main.
Yeah, that's obscure Falcon tech right there. Fun China with plenty of stage control right now, though, but the banana's far away from him. SDX
far away.
Rapidly takes it back.
He runs all the way back. Up B? Oh, no. All right, nice. All right.
Okay.
Piece by piece, he's bringing it back.
FC once again trying to slow this down a little bit, making sure he can catch SDX. Oh my God. Well, that's one way to do it.
Not the best idea, but yeah, it is one way. Oh my God, he was so good sneaking back here. I'm surprised no Trumps have come out for either of these gentlemen as well. This is like a Trumpless set.
Oh!
No, he didn't go for the up throw up air. It might have killed. Oh my God.
I think FC would rather get that stage control.
Yeah.
And there it is.
Yep, there it is. There it is. Saying, get that Falcon out of here. You don't play that character. Get it away from me.
All right, so FC...
Will Lathe be stubborn and stay Falcon, or will he go back to his other secondary Fox? Or his primary?
Or his
Who knows?
Main. Who knows?
Okay, so it is 2-1. Fun China putting himself on the board. No, he's not. Okay, yeah, he's not playing around anymore. He's not playing around with Froze. He's not. He says, okay, playtime's over. I'm playing with my food. We'll see if that bites him in the butt, though.
Yeah.
If there's any...
FC's probably working with some momentum after that last
exactly.
game.
I was going to say, like, the one thing you don't want to give players that are of a good caliber is momentum. So we'll see what he does with this new mindset. And again, he's already
right out the gate
so much better off than he was in the first game. Like, I'm pretty sure he didn't get 26% until like his first stock was taken. So, all right, nice.
Oh, all right.
So close to
that was so close. Immediate up B is going to make it back for him, though.
Nice fair. All right. Fun China, you know, turn the jets a little bit. I like what I'm seeing.
FC seems to be favoring these aerial banana tosses much more this game.
He almost prepared the turnaround grab in time, but it was just a nick away. Okay. Fun China is doing really well.
He's doing really well this game.
He has momentum. This is golden for him right now. He needs to keep his percent as low as possible and not get hit. And these bananas are just
covering so much space.
These bananas are killing Lathe right now. They're really like giving him so much trouble. He reflected. The reflection.
That was such a late.
That was a. What, I'm gonna look up Kuragani Hammer right now and see what the last active frame is on Mewtwo's reflect.
It's long. It's long.
Stupid. How long that was.
FC trapped on the ledge right now, though. This is exactly where SDX wants it.
All right, he wants to bring back the percent just like that.
And the percents have evened up considerably, but FC is still in a good position.
Exactly. I'm just looking up the stuff right now. Special moves.
SDX seems to have adapted and is playing a much more grounded game so that he can react to these banana throws and not get caught with them as he's landing, because if you never go in the air, then obviously you don't have to land.
News for me, it's active on frames 12 through 35. There's a side B is. So, wow. Back to the game.
Right through the weak shadow ball.
Game. SDX is bringing it back, but Fun China doing a really, really good job of, well, until that point, of just keeping his stock. That's what he needs to do right now. They're both not really wanting to give it up first, so we'll see who can win out of this next neutral. The next neutral exchange will probably do it, I feel.
One more banana toss will mean the stock.
Yeah.
Or connected banana toss.
Ooh, oh my god. These guys are so fast.
All right, okay.
Not
yet.
We live in twos. Wow, Mewtwo's grab is garbage. Did he go oh my god, it's so garbage!
It went right through him.
Mewtwo's grab is so bad. Oh, he did not want that. He wanted fair or anything. Forward throw.
It's possible he actually did want. Oh, I thought that banana was going to be it, but SDX with the sneakiest double
barely
jump.
Missing the up tilt there. Fun China saying, hey, don't you forget about me. I may be 6th on the PR, but I have a good ditty.
Well, you know, but air dodge into the ground is going to get him grabbed.
He just falls into those arms. Again, it's not the best option you want.
Maybe getting a little nervous in these last hit situations.
Yeah, he needs to close up the stock, like now. All right, here we go. No, he's reaching for the up tilt there. Oh my god.
That almost killed.
The DI.
All right, great air dodge through that nair, though.
Yeah. He's just hitting those ghosts. There's ghosts on Battlefield. He wants none of it. Call Peter Venkman because he needs the Ghostbusters here right now.
These shadow balls have been doing amazing work for SDX.
Wow.
The second half of this
I don't know if that was DI mix-up. I don't know if that was.
I think that was just Mewtwo's
light enough. Yeah. Well, Fun China, if he wants to stay alive in this winter side, he needs to make a comeback happen.
Right.
And the only way for that to happen is if he just works his way back, which is not going to be easy along what we've been seeing so far. Oh my god. Oh my
he just wants out of there.
Why can't Falcon teleport? Like, whatever. Well, I'm not going to complain. The pressure, oh my lord. Oh, he's dead?
Oh my god!
Holy shit, moly.
SDX.
You are dead AF. You are dead AF.
Wow, what a way to end the set.
Your life is now in the blast zone.